combination.
Well, this is good. You better not fall off, that's going to be bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But he won't.
I'm pretty sure you can drive in a straight line.
I got this. What, you don't want to put it on, Uncle Ed? I'll put it on, I don't care.
It's not his car.
There's no fun and no sense of adventure if you're not willing to drive and fall off the ramps. Did you check the antifreeze? I'd love it to overheat sitting here. That would be a trip.
I don't think
I don't know, it says it's still cold. Extreme case of rednecking.
Yeah, do you want this cross arm or no?
No, I just want it down. I think that'll do, that'll do. Alright, we're gonna burn the clutch out now. It'd be a gentle rate, but you're not gonna like tilt the clutch. And the ramps are gonna go like, oh!
Yeah, you don't want to shoot the wood out.
And you're gonna go, bah, 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 bah.
Well, he's going to need to keep moving when he gets to the top so he doesn't shoot the wood.
Wait, don't hit me.
Uncle Ed.
Yeah.
Do you want to put it on?
Scared now? No, I don't really want to. You're not square, that's the problem. Now I see it.
Yeah, see it.
Alright, well hold on. Let's just modify the situation. Remedy. Might look scary, but you're not going to get hurt. So just go nice and easy.
He might push out an airbag though.
He'll be alright.
He might survive.
It ain't gonna fall off. Remember, you're gonna burn the clutch out. Like, don't dump it, just ride it the whole time. Not big wheels, just a little bit at a time.
Good on this side. Oh, he fell off,
Stop.
He has to back up. Yeah. Yep.
He's about to ride again.
Yeah, you gotta go backwards. You're not on the board anymore. Keep going. Nope, nope, other way, other way.
Not so much.
Keep going.
Just like that. Back up. You got it.
Keep
Keep going.
going. Go, keep going, get off. You only got like a foot. Keep going, back up.
I think it was too wide, right? Slightly too wide, the whole thing. Is that the situation?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you're getting over that top part.
No. But if it should be able, I don't think I'm going to rip it off, even if it gets hung up, I could drag him off of it.
Yeah.
It's more for the actual underside of the car, not the sides. The middle, just lower it.
All right, pull up and then back up.
Oh, we're doing that?
This is gonna be good.
The blade. Or just go. Just commit. I need you to do all one aggressive. Of course,
The seat first.
want to load a car that I know. What's wrong with the seat?
It's not bolted. Just like that.
Alright, that's not funny. Oh yeah, there it is. Give me now.
Perfect.
Didn't even have to shut it off. You ain't never seen anything like that.
Yeah, there was no way out of that.
No, no.
You would have made it.
They don't call me Driver Ed for nothing. How do you roll your window up? There's no...
That one doesn't go up all the way yet.
It's gonna be like that. It needs some work.
So let's take all the lights.
It's got no interior.
No,
It's in
behind
there.
you.
It's just not attached.
The interior is just all behind you. Turn around.
There's some random memory dude.
Yeah, I'm
In
gonna
memory
give it
of
back. I'm gonna give it that.
Terrence Monahan Jr. He died in 1913. I mean 2000.
1913.
All right, get me out of this flying tin can.
They're very long doors.
All right, well I stopped at the boat, right? I need to back it up a little. You know, why don't you get on it and gently back it up because this is...
Will it start?
Oh, we lost a little bit. Casualty of war.
Lost a little bit of what?
Well, the car. But the important thing is the trailer's still intact, so...
That's the important thing.
Here, you
yes.
might need that someday.
We'll find out where it went.
Oh, now you're leaking gas.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Well, if it, you know, I knew you were gonna do that anyway.
Hey, really?
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah, it's leaking gas way back here, too.
Oh no!
That's
It,
the
oh,
big
all right.
Oh, it's been a leaker.
Yeah, so it's been a leaker.
All right, we got a leaker.
You just shook it up a little. That's all.
Yeah, all right. All right, back it up a little bit so that you so that the whole weight is on the situation.
Let's see. Ready? You there?
I just broke it. Well, the important thing is it's on.
Yeah, it's going.
Important thing is it's on.
We can always push it off.
I got starting fluid.
I didn't feel like I stalled it. It just kind of said, "That's it, I'm done."
Yeah,
It probably was the angle of the dangle, and it couldn't. It ran out of fuel.
Yeah, like when going back. Yeah, who knows how much gas is actually in it?
It's bone dry,
Oh,
and
is
it's
it-
probably older than.
yeah, it's
this
old
kid.
gas. When
Yeah.
when we get to my house, I got a little in can I could put in.
All right, man, let's go. Everybody push it back just a little bit. Austin, you stay right there. Get on the side. Get on the side. All right, where's the safe place to lift this piece of
Yeah, I got no
vehicle?
idea on that one.
You're not facing me. You're facing down.
No, I'm not.
How you like your new car?
Just peachy.
I don't feel the love yet, man.
You can see
Uncle.
Nowhere
We're
to
so
lift it.
stuck. And the fuel line.
Smells like gas all over my trailer.
You're welcome.
Redneck pressure treating. That is a lot of gas. It's definitely gas. If you couldn't smell that, man.
Yeah, well before I could.
Smell it
Now I
up
can.
here.
I can smell
I
it
was
now.
talking
I couldn't